Imagine a world where your money is like a character in a game. You level up, grind, and fight bosses, but every time you earn coins, the game suddenly nerfs your rewards. You wake up one day and your coins are worth half because the devs decided to print more for everyone else. Sounds unfair, right? That's exactly what happens in the real world with fiat money. But what if there was a new game, a new system, where the rules were fixed, transparent, and nobody could cheat? Enter Bitcoin. Back in the day, people used gold and silver. Solid, limited, hard to fake. Then governments got involved. They said, hey, we can print money whenever we want. And boom, inflation. Your hard-earned coins lose value fast. Banks, loans, bailouts, quantitative easing. It's like the game developers giving infinite coins to some players and none to others. Most people never see it happening. They just feel their purchasing power shrink while everything gets more expensive. Now think about digital money, easy to send, fast, global. But if it's controlled by banks or governments, the same inflation problem happens. So a new solution was needed. In 2008, during a massive financial crisis, an anonymous developer, or maybe a group, called Satoshi Nakamoto released a paper. Not just any paper, a blueprint for a money system that no one could control or cheat. It was revolutionary. Bitcoin wasn't just digital cash. It was digital gold with rules written in code. Only 21 million coins would ever exist. No printing, no central bank nonsense. Here's where it gets fun. Imagine a game where every transaction is like a boss fight. Miners are the players fighting the bosses using energy and skill. And the reward, Bitcoin. But here's the twist. Every 4 years, the rewards are cut in half. That's called halving. It's like a leveling system that gets harder over time, making coins rarer and more valuable. Every action is verified by the network. Cheat, and your attempt is rejected. No central authority, no middleman. The rules are enforced by math, not by people. Why should you care? Because Bitcoin gives power back to the individual. You don't need a bank to store your coins. You control your wealth. It's censorship resistant. Governments can't freeze your account. They can't suddenly print more coins and devalue your holdings. It's like playing a game where the rules are fair for everyone, forever. For the first time in history, money can't be manipulated by the few at the expense of the many. And in a world where most governments are heavily in debt, this is revolutionary. Now let's clear something up. Bitcoin wasn't made for criminals or just tech geeks. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, though some people treat it that way. It was made as freedom money, a way to opt out of a broken system. Think of it like finding a secret level in a game, one where the loot isn't rigged and every player has the same opportunity. Fiat money is like a PvP server where some players have admin privileges. They can spawn resources, delete accounts, change the rules. Bitcoin? It's the hardcore permadeath mode. No cheating, no hacks. Every action is logged. Every coin has a story. And just like in games, scarcity creates value. Bitcoin's limited supply makes it rare, coveted, and in demand. So next time someone says Bitcoin is just a meme or worthless, remember the truth they don't teach in school. It's freedom, trustless money, and a rebellion against the rigged system. It's money designed for the players, not the developers. If you want to see a world where wealth is fairer, transparent, and globally accessible, you don't need to wait for the system to change. You just need to understand the game and maybe start playing. So are you ready to enter the Bitcoin level? The rules are fixed, the coins are scarce, and the next boss fight is coming.